Hi everyone, welcome to the third and the final part of our tutorial on interactive particles with LiDAR. In the first two series, we created a mouse-responsive particle system, integrated and calibrated the Slamtec LiDAR, and today we are connecting these parts together. I will also show you how to adapt the particle system to multiple touches. Now that we have both components ready, let's go inside the visuals container and use the select job to get the touch coordinates. Since we have two sources of coordinates, the mouse and LiDAR, let's make a shortcut to switch between them. I also want the particles to slow down when there is no touch detected, so we can control it by changing the speed or drag parameter in the particles GPU. I'll choose drag, and it should be 2 when there is no touch and 1 when there is. To detect if there is a touch, you can use an info chop with num channels chosen. Followed by an expression chop. This script outputs 2 when there is no touch coordinates detected, otherwise it returns 1. But we need it to work in LiDAR mode only, so I will add a condition to it. Create a null, call it drag, and reference it in the particle system. Let's add a filter to interpolate values. You can make the effect more pronounced by increasing the difference between drag values. Now it's perfectly working for one hand, but if I add the second touch, it will intercept the effect, because the circle enforces take the last sample from each channel, so it basically works for a single touch now. But we can change it. Select the circle top, collapse selected, Give it a name. Go inside and repeat. Name the base circle 0, for example. Add a replicator component. Set the replication method by a number and set circle 0 as a master operator. Rename the operator prefix. Now we need our touch coordinates. I'll just copy the select chop from the upper level. Paste it here. Add an info chop. And connect the touch coordinates to it. Choose the lengths. Add a null. Rename it. And set as the number of replicants in the replicator. Now it creates a circle with every touch, but seems like it loses some frames, so I need to adjust my blob track parameters. Now we have to set the correct coordinates for the circles. Go inside the master operator and create a select chop. Reference the coordinates operator. We need all coordinates including the mouse, so not just the touch coordinates. Now we need to take just one sample for each channel depending on the index of our circle. Add a trim chop. Set the unit values absolute. And in the start parameter, type parent parentheses dot digits. This script will take the index from the name of the operator. Add a null and call it coordinates. Let's also fix the resolution path. The error should disappear when you move your hands. It will stay in the idle mode, but it will not affect anything, so just ignore it. Now we need to combine all the circles into a single texture. Zoom out and add a composite top. Set its operation to add or screen. Connect its output to the out top and the master replicator to the input. Now go to the replicator callbacks and type the script that will automatically connect the replicants to the operator by the name comp1. Move your hands to update the replicator. Now we have a circle for each touch. Zoom out and connect the output of this base to the Optical Flow component. This method of propagating circles is fine when there are just a few touches, but for large-scale installations with more people involved, I would use instancing instead of replicating. Let me know if you'd like me to make a tutorial on that too. Okay, now we have to do pretty much the same with forces. Collapse everything, name it forces, go inside, and just follow what I know. I'm just repeating the same techniques that we used previously with the Optical Flow texture. We'll use a join chop to merge the outputs. The same script, just with the join one operator name. And we are done. You can download this project file via the link in the description, and you may also find the one just for the mouse interaction there. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and thank you. Good luck with your TouchDesigner journey, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!